Efitititire de bepemne insuhwem amayati asese nsu eyenkwa na asase edawei emu hanchichemu aduoson so eyensu na sete saade a denti na wotena se emansukom ane nsu enwanwo yiraw emawani tuka wonsem erade na ye drilling company limited won ababe so how bebria na nipa na mu efa nsu ho wobetu asase yem kopem se wobetu nsu pa ehotew ne watu ade amawo borehole drilling yayebi water treatment services yaye visibility studies ehun se baabi a wochire yense yentu no ayade ebetu nsu asase ne yem ansa ne yetu yaye hand and electronic pump installation hydrofracture yade machines ahoro esi asase neni ne yatu nsu na fi baabi biare wa begu faako yem borehole drilling no ehotew utimenum wode horade egware mpa unya ohaw ankrankrai afiesim apartment ahoro insurance hotels estate developers washing bay ni nyumeku momre ne rade na aye drilling company limited yabebo am wenyen supa putu yang was 0245 636 634 and 02471 714 72 erade na aye drilling company limited this is to ayenkwa
online store fufura ba your friend abiexpress.com wo abrochimemu na opobia to bibie friga na mawa en how hu kra en one se wo beko online na wa type www.abiexpress.com na me say open taria enye nipa baako na eton open laser enye nipa baako na eton open kentia enye nipa baako na eton bia open bia no enye nipa baako na eton omu wonya your friend multiple vendors na me say uto wade so a enche kura na wonsaka wo America UK Canada yes ya for na nyina bebe bia wo bia no ombe shipi wonyama no dia bro in no time na me say Abi Express no ayes a makola ewo online abiexpress.com kai say abi ni ABBI abiexpress.com online store papa abiexpress.com all in one source ampa.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Yo, I'm sure for Madam Wasina, Mamma Muna Kaba, and then you bring Ediaba Jumedi so. A Jamuamun Yabema Avram Moshe, and then you bring so many Moshe. Medicada, CS a phone nasi, Madame phone nasi, or Rocasia, Muyatre, or Rocasia, Muyatre movement, and Madame Wasia, not Mietia for Madame Nasi. You started from the one, watch our baby, papa. And Masaka see so eco management phone na Madame Nasi. Omo ameno mo started, any omo ameno mo one day na no. De bia meka omo ameno mo share dwumedi ase. Wo ko wenim no. Anya se wo refi omo. E wo se wo kai om because san microphone ne gina ho ma ekoma e bedru bebia wedru no. Nti obi biara a wa bo bia meda was meda se ni panase. Afa so na ndra e me birthday ndra no. Meda se yesefo nyina ase. Em say at times anya nyina na yesika. Na emom wo say the amount for accept you in society any obuo any die a wo de mawa na wo say wo say sabe wo so ye ka omo abobra wo so abobra endra ye very surprised na ma me say ye wo enkrofo bi a WhatsApp omo status na me pictures na me videos da ho na omo wish me happy birthday ye me won yie pa na enkrofo frame me Avram me hu me boss bi odwa ni status Avram me dwom penyini Avram me hu say penny way e de picture me hu say enkrofo ka wan samti me da Ghana fo nyina ase me da mo nyina ase e wo de mo aye me de aboa edi aboa me ne bibia maba bedru man na mo ase a na me yetiafo ti me damu nyina ase afei ya ba be hye dwumedie na ase announcement kakra e wo ho ne mesrɛ mo edan me ka kyerɛ mo sɛ me ye adwuma na aduru ba bi wa na adwuma ne kora na yɛ ma twe me ho kakra edi entia adwuma me ye boa me boa ama ye nuanu mani ada ho e wo religion no saa na ebibifo ate omu se person mo fight no mu ntumi a they tend to fight anything you love and as ade bia wo mu bia no nti company am wo no mo start say mo fight company no e bi tarnish the image of the company and na me ka kire mo say company am ye mo adwuma no e Alliance in Motion Global me ye gold executive ma qualify for Philippines 3 times ma ko ba akopɛ this next year ma sanso qualify meko a amazing business, a legitimate business, and trobia nim, Temesremo. We are interested and when I say WhatsApp number ne das send me the business information. A network marketing. Oh ba be ye juma me pa chao. Me a hard worker. Oh ba now be that ewe juma ni mua. You won't end no creba kope. And to oba no say on kwada now be when say sika be Google account mu enya sa netie. Nti opa ya be more business information na wenya abotere na wahwe oti ase a na wababe edwan ni eye kama afei the same company ya with the business aspect and our product your product no eye organic product 100% organic your product no if the number 1 premium herbal company in the world you find Nature's Way United States ebibidro eye bebre wa Ghana time herbal no nyina eye bibidro abomoden ebo nipedua. But on say abrofo no mo ya de a no mo de akọ the next level o mo use technology a ye fe no nano technology o mo de compress ahaban no e de aye ne capsules ne so a rubber na nya rubber cabbage e no mo de aye your product for anti-aging na me use wa me looking young still no obi a sebe na pempe mo pa ope oba ope se wo skin kama sebe oba pe se o siesie wase Bema awaye mre wompem hepatitis arthritis jaundice yade wudu obiara especially stroke goiter no ne ade nche wo product o hia bia no wafre afen so ya papa apostle Kojosafo ne quantum pendant no meton bi so de boa no ti apostle quantum pendant wo hia bia number abafre ene da no eye for radiation na aboa na dwumedie no akoso kama de to so biom me de akwada bi ebe kire mo akwada no ba ko nie me nyamfa videos ne nto ho me de beto maako eye enkoda me ensa mienu eye hole in heart akoda yi ye wo no na BBC na fono ho ne ma nom ka se esiwo kwa omu yensa akoda ne nim chia na echia akoda yi oman no surgery 2 times baby edro no age ye de akoda yi ko outside the country enti me ne Dr. Haruna ene ye yankasa ye ba Mona Lisa Foundation e kasa ewu kwan e befa so aboa ne maame na tie kire oba no kra nya adwuma maame no tompia water papa no wo abofrey with this only akoda no na minim sa akoda yi na ho beto no e ma akoda yi ena ma akoda nti ne maame be ye nhira ti me di video no to wa pese wo boa ne maame na onya kakra asidwete na de aboa CSF ya toto ne ma ye be bie ye foundation asika be ba enye bibia na de ba beto abe wona se ya aboa nipa no ti me do mo videos no e beto e baako akoda we so a hole in heart very brilliant and intelligent child ne ma me ne papa etu kwan fem krom di akoda ne ba akra ha ena me yemu interview me de no so beto akoda da we ohia almost $9,000 no me de akoda no hole in heart operation no ti no so me de hu information bebre mo ba ku nsu ni akoda we de nano no kra san with problem ansa akoda no hole in heart ne ma me ye professional teacher ne papa ye professional accountant ya ejuma samu asai mame na ejuma sai akoda no hole in heart utumi say eya reko sam sesi ne papa no oye ankoye banker no sesi ne papa no o serve oye waiter ewo we bibia restaurant bi areko sam na ketu akra ndu 300 Ghana accountant lose na ejuma na benya hole in heart mini anom na me be say eno wo say ye na ye de boa society Tibesremu eduwa na mama ya boa na nyina so akoso kama ti CSF madam nyina se wo mo amode aboa from day 1 up to ende chebusiafo ende ye ba ya ende topic no Ghana ensem dia koso ye man Ghana mu na me pese ye dwendwe ne ho ensem be pie na nwumre Reverend Owusu Bempa akasa e dia fa enkrofo bi ho me so me kire man dwene e wo ho kakra ena de to so bi Reverend Bofo ne ho asem ebebem na mu nyina mu nim se de ye dwumedi ye personal attack ena Reverend Isaac Reverend Prince Elijah Osei ono nso ne ho asembeba sofo no kofa apamadaka e de ba Ghana ha ne ho asembeba monim say common sense family yenye personal attack na ansa meko topic ne so no mame ka asemi nkire Ghana fo nyane CSF me ka kire mo yade bia number 1 me hu say mo do movement no na mo do me yankasa mo ye ready to die for me and this movement it is CSF for and then me to charge mamo say movement be a started now person who say movement no ejina ebra movement no face crisis no who as a leader as a founder no you have to sit back me say me ka say there course social media about CSF enemy Abraham my phone afre will be say kwana kwa kasama me enya no kre but me request say followers le ye loyal ana na sankofa no kre we opinion refi Miami wife ne half nipa half bosom anyone who can na body collect asante no you are fighting a good battle and you are fighting in the right direction tell you mbre enlighten opinion je ku munyina me tucha de mamunyina ewo odo a mwejidi a kire movement no medam wase any omo ana omo ayo omo so ye CSF a omo minka se omo tan omo put CSF under pressure so medam so ase because mu put your pressure said ye be ntutu ye it collectively medam nyina ase but me gina akwenye so apa mu nyina chawo mama ye ntwa sa asem no so mesra mo sister Mandy mesra mo munjai sabi oyo oba e wo se edi obuo e ma na as a lady but I was so do so oyo oba na also hu na limit ye CSF o kai asem ne yase menka bi mu a o ma ye futo ne yase yemfa what ya say CSF for ne yetu ye ho fodada ye wo mo ene mo fa adwen tie pam nyina achaw na nkwa ye se ye ne obi kontokwa da bi na CSF no ye ni me ye members ye floating members afa ne ye hyehyɛ ne membership card afa se o ye blogger ana se o ye teachings now ye CSF ni na we page our membership card because ebinum claim CSF membership wa ye ni bebi mo konya ID card free nti mesere mo ye ntwa so because the moment here ye be pause you see we have limited time to do unlimited work until the moment here mo be spending 1 week replying one person no your message no you put it at a stop no yes but so when no more to aso there you have every right to defend CSF. Me as a leader, maybe I say make come the waters na anything. But someone futu, but still they go on talking now. You have the right to defend your CSF and move forward. Te medamu nasi. Yeah, Pan Africa muna medamu nasi CSF medamu nasi papa. Obien to me mu yabem. Nobody. We are so far enya afa na wo twa ntwa to CSF so na wa afre debate din na ade ba kwa me dane say yen attack personality enti me ka kire mo eya me ka say Reverend Owusu Bempa madamfo many asofo akese miensa amayo mu debate e na di nkomo e wo phone so number 1 eya Reverend Owusu Bempa amu ni amunim amekọ na aso de mkoye debate echire eya me ka say oya madamfo na nne no anyonkofa ewo me ne Reverend Owusu Bempa ntem no mama mu ate ase number 2 Jordan yakasa go phone so eya prophet Nigel Gazi na mama mu ate ase currently say aye nua ba Miss Bell wa back to CSF I check me be another live video na experience ya ewo no de ato anim te Miss Bell ya de bi amama respect no me di teachers ne ba no kase no for now there or defend the Old Testament until say obetiasi after 3 years while the research or say I'm back to common sense family beautiful and amazing many prophets Nigel Gazi ekasa with phone so and it was a very beautiful conversation otiem komo oni bi di ya sabi me Abraham ni ona na me no ka say una ya fire me sa no wo bu adwuma to aso ye adwuma ena de me na di nkomo biom Angel 1 Bishop Obini na many Obini kasa for almost 1 hour and it was an amazing conversation me na minya information bi fa ne ho aye bi no bopo amani case and the besi me so na me de to nem say me nua we ye sofo me ye against religion but ment na we nim ngu ase na me de information man a we gina na so dem mpo ebo maba so kire ne members mesramo we are fighting religion, we are not fighting ourselves. And you will say many rebel who suben pan ya nya tanfo tena na me explain ya de bi akere mo ena rebel who suben pa akasa af ewo video bi mu CSF for kan wasem na meba many are Ghana for I am here to enlighten my people. Na me pese ye wo mindset bi ye jai mama yendru level any social media and personal issues. We don't fight personal battles on social media. Abrofono omo di Facebook e be set here before trap. Say before you create a page I will make a live video. We know how these people are. In the long run, they will end up fighting themselves and disgracing themselves on social media. And you do know. But make us say, sir, na Efia Schwarzenegger. Yen ba Miss Bell. Any tornado. Amu mi say, no we are beautiful friends. No amonam. Ye di bi buy. Ye hu yen so mu achache. And na Efia yama Miss Bell. And na Miss Bell e dia Efia. And na tornado e dia ma wey na ye gu ye wani mu asesa. Mesra mo hwe. Gentle level hwe. Ebra me nya problem. Me ni daily TV. Me make a mo ne. Me ni daily TV. Ye nya problem bia up to today. The owner of Daily TV, on make us still. But ebe ye very bad. Ye hu ye ne so ma ye video e dia fa me ho. Ye nua ba GH mouthpiece. Ye video fa me ho. Avram akofa hu na mo hwe video no. I was in the right position to reply. I was in the right position to say whatever I will say. But me, ye fra dey be the test of time. Obi ani wo ane ho asem ebe social media. Ye ni nkwase I be 2 weeks. I make us me chira. To make us after 2 weeks message wait it will die. How's that wait? To be your topic be gratitude. And the better say even said the owner of Daily TV or to pure water back mamia because of that pure water no to me no me ntino. Me mekane once and when that even if they did something wrong against me, I will not talk up to today. I make a children when say akwenya babiom say me ko Daily TV na omo fa the right channel na yem paying for tnas na yakasa I will go back to Daily TV because me no money problem. Let us learn how to live at each other's peace, not at each other's misery. Tiankasa social media let that one ye di be create love ye di be create ba akoye ye di be chechire wodo ye di be chechire bibiman no ye use social media and the yankasa ye di koye ho ntokwa di guye hwani mu ase and sofo we instead said anka sofo ne be ye ba akon e use social media and they are propagating the word of Jesus Christ no won somebody ko ntokwa so for bia be can say me so for na okofa apamadaka I will say obey miracle wo manim prophet Prince Elisha was say wa hyenkom e bia to Efia Schwarzenegger so na me ba de bon commission na motie na mesre asofo no hwe me say wo ye asofo na wo sunsun wiase a ka kire wo nyankopon ne say opa ne chawo wo nyanyansa kakra dia kan wo nyanyansa dia kan me pese me bo video no na mo hwe video ni wie je wie a na yakọ reverend bofo emi tie me fo nsam no na yakọ so je wie a na yaba me me body reverend wusu bempa na yabeka ehun asem mo de mu tie video no ye tie video ni wie a na ye be analysis na ya hwe de ye wom na sa na prophet Nigel Genzi ekwa ka asem
the children win. Oh, be creative problem at the man Zach. Say Zach, at the Lewin aqua baby, at the Crado aquacotuna noon, and my little yo. Into your software Mugu Ghana, and to Mudia, Mum Yamano, and Kansam Pa, and Tuni Paso, Mudia Munchile Busia, Mudia and Yonko for Interwinter. Oh, your software, and even if you are Schwarzenegger was all the man, if you are Schwarzenegger, any Miss Ben, any tornado, or Montemo Seno. Mona Mujina say, you are for peace. Mu Jini Park or heaven, and come over friend and was yes. Now, more yes smart. Why name social media? Say, if you are Schwarzenegger, any Miss Ben, any tornado, I won't talk. No one capitalizing on this at the Ashen come. Now, in commission, when I am very smart, won't ye? On why young commissioner say, one body, but who's young commissioner? Why wouldn't say logic and common sense? What the Miss Ben, any tornado, say, only way, if you are Schwarzenegger, Aqua baby. So muku kuno na me pa ache wo sabi chireme one reason why Tornado and Miss Bell would like to kill Efia Schwarzenegger. For what? And tia so for no eyemu na mode entotoye eba awale ene anyonkofo ntem. Wow, Malaki 2:7 osofo suanyansa o ton Sienyansa. Now, say religion cry correct. No more religion. We say religion, but say be too boneasia. And the religious people, you have failed. Bible ne Quran eba Ghana. Most started preaching that day and robbery, etweka, chrono, etweka, ejamamo, etweka, prostitution, etweka, homosexual, etweka. And you have na boneno. You do transgender. Ye through level like Bema, Dani Woba, Dani Bema. It is a will be a failing society. Now you through the highest level of moral standard. Now say you teaching Bible school. I may say, "Mo Bible ne Quran ne kure failing mo. Mo nyanko pon we failing." Say mo nyanko pon na sachire nipa. Other non sachire we are seeing nipa na automatically. Now show boni e kwaso waso dem. Mountain commission. Why? Ya beba ben. Tien kom se no ba be she no.
Sorry. Thank you, Jesus. If you are Schwarzenegger, sorry. If you, the person will show combat men can only play. Menka, yeah, baby. What's that? Shwa. We are sorry if you are Schwarzenegger, Baba, sorry. No, I am ready for everything. But are you aware? No, we are church if you are Schwarzenegger about church. You must be ready for every bullet. You understand? Hey, what have for settle many traps? Many traps over the years. I mean, the children are survival. Umaya say, means good. Uma train. The person make church the DM. But the person catch us say, there settle wood traps maybe, but the amount of survival here or back dead bones. So for the catch up. Say, what have you sorrow swan a quan be down one ya will be a Yami channel me and no one call and no cow, I forget it. And no ne put out till now, madam. Yes, I am. In Kenya, no whole faith, but obedient to me, but come back because there are settled traps. Most of the invitations I them out, are traps to kill you.
And I want you and kidnap me.
And kidnap you.
Ghana, Lisa Hotel.
Wow. Confirm the passing. nkurɔfoɔ bi ɔmo bɛn wo a wo ne ɔmo asan da ɔbaa baako ɛne bɛrima baako Jesus ɔmo akɔ meeting wɔ ho ayɛ ɔmo biribi awie ɛma baako agye adwuma no ato ne ho so ɛma ɔmo tu ho kwan ɛde wakɔgya sɛ yɛnkum na strategy ɔmo bɛyi so ne sɛ obi bɛyɛ n'adwene sɛ ɔbɛfrɛ mu mmiɛnsa no sɛ ɔbɛsiesie mu ntɛm saa meeting n'ase yɛafrɛ meeting no
yɛfrɛ na nsene
ɛna ɔsɛ ɔbɔ obi a ɛde sɛ ɔbɛfrɛ meeting ɛsiesie mu mmiɛnsa no mu ntɛm
mesɔɔ daeɛ no na obi ɔyɛ sɔfo afrɛ yɛ me na obi ɔyɛ sɔfo afrɛ yɛ mmiɛnsa sɛ wɔsiesie yɛ ntɛm na daeɛ ni mu no metuu me nan metwaa m'ani no na bɛrima no asa me n'ase anwea hyɛ mbotom m'ani tee yɛ na nipa kɔ frɛ sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔsiesie asɛm no ɛna me sɛ onyame a ɔbɔɔ so mpo wɔantumi ne bonsam antena na
I see. Omu ni se we bi omu nya wawie. We di omu ni so omu nya wawie. As maybe omu di we fa ne de omu ni so omu wawie and omu so much feel. Asem ni sie no. E be wie o. E bi ketewa bi ne de fa glass ano. E bi ketewa bi ne de fa glass ano. E bi wie o. Bibi ketewa bi ne de fa glass ano. E bi wie o. Esa se ya ade ma o, e be kasa wo dem. Nsem bebre ho a, me pese me kodi. But ma woni na ho. E be so che bi na. Ma woni na ho, ye hwehwe wo den. Ye hwehwe wo den. There is a mega breakthrough that is coming your way. Amen. That will shut the mouth of people. Amen. God will change people's perception.
Yo, abushafo am say mo akɔhwɛ video no aha na sabio baby awiase aduro no ya nya mmofra biom ya pese asofo no ti ase se sebe sesi ano ni pani ada ho ni pani abie good tornado owo CSF one ne kasa Mesbel aba back to CSF ya nua ba efia utie ne kasa mu at times out to say o CSF wo sha common sense but ojini Jesus this term efutu kakra me de bema sofo ne say why you lucky na o ya asole na wehu efia swasnega e wo wa so de mu a hwe this is the opportunity for you to talk to that lady say oh very bright future hwe enipa sen ena omo ba media ni mu a omba gidi nti say efia wa branding ne ho awie ba ye nyina nim say efia wo character bia se suban no ena ma dodo no ni gidie woni mu sabe ebere ye nua ba efia na wale asem ba ya Ghana fo didi na tem no sembe kaya me ye video e defend efia Schwarzenegger e defend in a way enti we ya sofo why you lucky efia ba wa so dem a me die ne say anka frɛ ne 1-on-1 Mande futu se efia oyi okukudufo oyi oba ubu odu na utumi ka wadwene but eduru baabi a wano eduru ekire ema ne tia mpanyimfo ne asofo enti efia mema we futu hwe wo yie o bright future wan sa wo ka kire efia se amanfo penekunu se bi penekunu a na ye nanu ntia ti sofo enya afei ena be capitalize on the aba social media no abeka kire say na nafufuo mienu bi di na kwa eduro so for what evidence ben pa na wo number 1 de ba wo say sofo we o hu hwe ne say o kan say afia sole me hu bibi afa ho ba me mpese meka e wo badwem still na waka na sofo anyankopan yi ade a kire wa enye se wo kan wo badwem e ye da na akokọ kan me ndidi oba atemi nka sentia wo ba me
share Efia Schwarzenegger one-on-one. The American channel said this boom lady or your bar me say Efia kase atemdidie anoyano or tenino and they are motivating nipa. Efia will be an enlightenment to the young girls in this country. She Oprah Winfrey. She Oprah Winfrey. She eduma Oprah ye. Enti we your babesia. She mame dokono. Ye mame dokono mpo. She impact mame dokono ye on society. Many ano muntie angle na me fo ade ne free no. Enyi easy. So obaba on the front line of social media. Na we benya followers and fans. Number 1. O say omo plan so mbeku no. No me de na ko baabi. Me no nkoku no waduro so. Afei wo wie ya. O say omo de ade be fa cap ano. It's about time say asofo no won. Sebe won. Mo be sua nyansa. Won. Asofo ni bi. Mo be sua nyansa. Ye wa ade bi ho de bia me ka kire mo. Pastor Mensa Wotabel onya ade we. Duncan Williams onya ade we. Agena Sare onya ade we. Eastwood Anaba onya ade we. Onkofa apamada kabai. Apamada kanechi baby adruni. I saw them one members bebrebe. When who members no hutia collection e tight man no. When who nsem nyina awie ma e da Efia Schwarzenegger ba yam ko ano. When we see about the kuno. Mama ka se mi kira. So for the person yes smart. Hey, mama ka se mi kira. Once so for the ka say Efia ne man ye miensa. Na ba ku bi wom. Ba ku no waka no eye menim say adepa wo se nhira. Akoda na Efia Schwarzenegger adopt no. And na so for the person kire say akoda ni nipa na akoda no ye bofo me pa achaw akoda ni nya bofo o ye nipa na mmom logic and reason sada nature ahehye say wotumi hwe okunafo wotumi hwe inwisia wotumi hwe ejanka universe ni be hirawo enti o yusu akoda na Efia adopt ne say sabe Efia mpo eye bone bi na amanfo peso buku Efia na nyankopon dane nani na ohun adepa na wa forget Efia so for wo boa Efia ye mistake God will deal with Efia according to her deeds. God will not watch at the park and spare Efia. Man, I catch them. Bible no way be. Ezekiel 18:20. That the people like me and Nyama can us have baby. When any person when you Efia Schwarzenegger was all them, there is the opportunity to tell that young lady said, or you're bold or wakukudro or you're beautiful woman. Now or you never be on social media. They be American. Never ye no edao. Ye chirima beba behwe ye nananom beba behwe ti se no we nyansenia your descendant will say I am proud to become the grandchild of this man of this woman. Now with you kwasi asem a your future generations will know how foolish you were. Yeah, when you Efia Schwarzenegger was all them wo be friend akwahye nkwanchan baby amma ni fie nyansa etu ne fo se Efia who of them. I like the confidence of Efia Schwarzenegger. Me na me ka me kire onsro bia. O te say me I don't fear who. Say Efia Schwarzenegger tie. But catch and say fear. Je okukudufo na emum yi atemdidie efiri wo kasem. Simple. E ja ka so bi peleku no. Obi am pe Efia Schwarzenegger owu a den aga na lusu. Atano sekura wu ga na lusu he. Tell opportunity pa sanka bai we yaba. Man can na kasa etunefo sa ne ye no agana for ye kan bi friends today enemies tomorrow Miss Bani Efia Schwarzenegger na ho fe any tornado we show videos bomu a beautiful mama yen hia said yen tumi nante da bia that's why ebra me budget Lee ofri mi nchen no man kan ne ho asem bone da man ka Jet Li ho asem bone da up to today. Up to today, man can want someone or your video for me. I didn't reply. Yan do leveler, yan nanti biomo. Your secret is your secret, my secret is my secret. Finish. Anyway, I my boy. Hey, anyway, I Jobikuno. Hey, Ezekiel 18:20. Tie Bible, sofo. Yankopon kan ni na ohun akoda na. Tie, it is the one who sins who will die. A son will not suffer because of his father's sins, nor a father because of the sins of the son. A good man will be rewarded for good doing, and an evil man will suffer for the evil he does. And one no. I say so ya money I want so, we papa or papa so. But naturally, say we ewisia enyanka bi mobo a nature is now. Ti men fa no be that dey fear say amanfo penekuno na ewurade twa nani na ohun akoda na ewurade a stop. You want to tell me say God is not wise? Ananyankopon no ni time efia so asene gabawu. Aju oga akoda na so nyankopon asesa na adwen say no, this is not the time for a fear to die. Munyai say mu share celebrate o ma so dem a na mo capitalize on issue on social media. Na mo dey shan kwase yankom. Temesra mo mo mani na o simple. Prophet Elijah was say ya unyam djuma we eyentro why why kokan Ezekiel 18:20 nyankopon God will not watch at the part and spare a fear catch the fear say on hwe na no yie o didi penyin atemu a on so ye penyin e den na me friend ya Reverend Usu Bempa o Ghana but today he's my friend so for me ma posano Reverend Usu Bempa but me didi na temu da I will attack your message. I will disprove you with your own Bible. I don't attack personalities. Then okay. The didn't pay for them, the Kennedy Japan, not Kennedy so my reply. Because Kennedy Japan, if you want to drag him to the gutters, we'll go into the gutters with you. Now, what the Obi Mamia say, no. Sramo, if you are Schwarzenegger, me catch them, or you're a very bold woman, or you're bar, me say, so ye are tempted to train. No, cast of polishing and ye. Nay, if you are Schwarzenegger, after young girls' empowerment, and you're told so, some Quebec in all the girls' schools, I could enlighten young girls. It's wonderful. How to be self-dependent, how to respect, how to make an impact on society. Kefia Schwarzenegger, Kefia Schwarzenegger, putting Miss Bell, this is how you, the pastors, have to talk to these celebrities. Imagine say Kefia Schwarzenegger and Miss Bell, creating a foundation to support girl child education. Cause Miss Bell or share girls baku 16 school, every university now, and no media nenka. So I say Kefia Schwarzenegger. A baby me win. No, I'm or chiche Diana manfo, and the media nenka. I am not attacking the personality of a fear, but a fear will subembia and can suffer Ukra Bible. We know saw them on a fear doesn't need prophecy. A fear never saw them on the fear Schwarzenegger or your blessing. It is a blessing also or absorbing from the universe a beba, a friendly character and decision and your prophecy. Say a fear son is subai or yet in the Diano Toho. There were difference between the boldness and attempted. Say a fear Schwarzenegger will carry on with her boldness. No ye attempted free or not or Brennan was a kakra when baby and kabai will be do. That's how you have to talk to her. Yeah, stupid prophecy. Jaffe, the back was second one. Me and my boss. Reverend Obofo. Me pese Ghana for United Association me mentan obia. Metiwe Reverend Bofo or ye mebusi ni anka me pede bia meka or ye me bra anka me pe. But yemfa no kure entu be bia no kure da. Ye beti nan sense em se be bia na asole wo ewo sprinters so se hefa ne wo la shibi kwan so sprinters wo no tie mefu se den akọ e ma ekoda ne ntokwa mi ni evidence mi ni ho se sofo ne man na di fo. Say, tie me phone di fo, me be jiran finfin. Oga, de akoba ni nyina ye. Tie me authorities ne call ye no. Na omu kra paint ya. Omu ba be tro edan ne ho. Na edan ye si ho so many years. Na omu kwakọ tro dan ne ho no. Em say edan ne ho tro no. Enem say ekọ ha. Sofo no na enkwara no e ha omu say omu be tro dan ne ho. Omu sofo ne mani susu say edan esi adadada mutaba emsa time sekra no kom kwaje cash kakra and the mini evidence but utietia mutaba na mukọ Now then after so many years, after na mo produce permit. Ti almost someone tias yes na e dan no church no e ha omo kakra. Ena me say e kofa akasa ban. Good. Dia making ye eya mo ma yenyai na emra ayewo oman nim no emra ne ye na adwuma. Afei so authorities na mo de emra ne ye adwuma no. E wo se mu ebra e wo se mo ko stop obi ni dansie. Kamia ye say stop work produce permit no as it rather say brabetu abrai me ba cho tie de America no kwa ye say we see wo dan na ye betro stop work produce permit per chese brabetu abrai was see it as say emra no ye betro mu asase na asase no plan na wo de kwa na kire say we to me 6-story building enti we 6-story building na emra no ho kwan say o stop your area bi ohwa won't mean see story building na eto so 5 and na say bi akwan plan na wo de ba ye no on be dan no any plan ne bo ebra nti e was say authorities e call attention ti mesre asofo no any omo ni mumra no any mu amuni mumra no mo professionalism embra dwumedie ni oye nyame ni pass ya so dan ya eno nkire say you are above the law we are untouchable de ba ye koda ne ntokwa de mini wo mintu min kirem dabi mintu min kirem well but ebi ma kwa ye say bibia be ba ifa reverend bofo hu bia no na ye be ka negative afei asem kakra pese me ka kire reverend bofo ne say be wi ase obi ani wa obro efutu the whole Ghana say see awo kan me ma reverend bofo ne members ati ase say obi antai reverend bofo me reverend bofo ase because what topic common sense message no and or the man members ye can so for asat now prophet ya we hwie nyansasem egu na so dem wa reverend bofo na say reverend bofo e be focus on this message obeta so forever but say wentie na or the meaning say no either it is pride or overconfidence na or the ahomaso ewura dwumedie nim sesesi a me wosika minim Ghana fo mpanyimfo me na metusu sesi a me na me wo members me na me charismatic asoli nyina no me what the biggest congregation na or the sa hantan ne ba e ma ni wura mfi asofo akese de bra asoli a mo ahwe ase encho mo nkabiom apa life mu nyina akọ Jesus one touch mu nyina yira ti me ne sraw wo brenie many were deefo bi kasai also me catch up with your deefo matna so many years now for this past 3 years Reverend Bofo de so okay oye nyame nipa e was wudi obuo ema amamre ene ahemfo na eyie bi e koso okumase asantemem na me say eye ohini bi yie na Reverend Bofo e ko ho de si ye no mo de mo hwe. Nobody is about.
Can you say what's happening? I've been papa them. Yania break at the Cocoa. Back of our number for to come to Guasi and say, I say, can you no? Some for me, but can you no? I don't have one yard. Yes, can never dump them say, never scan to go. Never for sending my dear say, one yard here, about for 1 yard here. 1 yard here. Papa interview me. About for Hasha.
Over 40 something. Mama Kumasini sentiment, you know, so over 40 something. What's on respect? Yakunano. And your brain, your brain, no, so to scale from. And your brain, your brace, and your brace. Yeah. No, so to scale from. One respect, sentiment, Yakunano. What's on respect? Yakunana. Yes, you're going to say, when you come here, Yawa. I'm a phone here. Nana Mohano, 96. Every Guasiada, Ajuada, Avanada, Ukiada, Batma in a buy, and I'm on Guatia, Admoine, Atafoine, 96. Aday, Mosaya Mamma, Mosaya Mamma,
adai anyana yie hwani pa ye pra ne ko obi awia me fo obi awia me fo adai sha amre wo ya to fo ye tietie so bodyguard anu soldiers fire say sergeant na ube so obi ayie e dia no se basa obi awia me fo kwa me fa so obi fantastic me so me fo ayila ah sa be do hu
ya amjafo we dia mesramo ade ntwaye reverend bofo mesrao hwe asante hini mpo enkwayi ase nkotu skenguo asante hini oti kokko so mpo enye saade no ena yamamre mu no obuo kwan so odi sika amenipa yentungu fom menim tamba yekosua saade we won enye adori ase ne yetuska ne nipa fumska ne yetietie nipa wo hwa brantia ne phone ya yela atum se brantia ni abre ni phone ayera wow chebesra reverend bofo yesrawo jewadwuma but samo asofo na eduru ba bia na mo ye untouchable mo ye mo ye ntumofo asofo ni bi asofo ndodo no omu temi elders ni mpanyimfo ni na yenkanasem ofie wurade yenkanasem me ma asofo ni bi dawo na dia na me kire mo pictures bisa me church members bisa Jetly bisa P Black me full members ya me be pa members na chawo me to be soon na ma pa members na chawo o ya sofo aso de nyawo de yawo o ya sofo a hunu se asole ni ti ani Kristo na Kristo ne control asole no ene asofo ni bi kasa di nso si omobo te se heaven gate omno me bie gate na ma members ti asra ba onya medjuma men fa nkwa amamre so men fa nkwa amamre so because enkrofo na dwa papa no wo hene na yi ase kra ye nya saade no so won ti ebesra asofo no won first no ye bosofo dinya na obuo bi da ho sesi ye bosofo dinya no respect mo na mo san gu mo hwani mu ase so won ti ebesra ti emini ke emini yi no yesra mo mo won ye beje permit no ti o se mu se dan no nsi ana mo nsi mo ti wa mo betwen nipa ne si dan na wie no afa na produce permit na beda ne manso e na bribe gie ni sika gie na me mama si dan wa kaso the same thing no mo de mama kakra ne ya choro wa kotu eska si kakra ne ya be choro wa kotu ya ye be ji musika gie rule of law enye adwuma te duru ba bia na citizens no e de mra na hye omonsem so won te mesramo say asembisi won say asembisi na social media ya motre nya facts and evidence no anso abekasa nya se bia wo reverend bofo ho tan bi no abekasa tia no ana wo TMA ana ban ho tan na de abekasa da bi nya ne sante mesere mu nyina asamba akwasa so da ho odifo bi ose efre no order his grace that yourself and Cosmos Walker last Friday and no share come with it to wow mesre no e brebi o sa share come say we no share come say Shatawale ba be wu say dem ye besre hwe mesre mo san crofo we mo ka ho na Ghana ntumi nkọ nanim no hwe Walker wo be suenyansa na munya san kwase ade na mo ye no social media no hwe nkom sha wo dia akwakoto Facebook page I saw a pregnant woman being buried alive with John Mahama's picture and NDC flag. NDC should pray against this. That says the Lord. Mo wi ana mo se awurade no say enti nyankopon no we John Mahama any wopemfo any NDC flag ye dey share from no nyankopon no onim John Mahama fie onim wopemfo di fie why you see 1962 iron box we fear and nyankopon nim when a disgrace to Ghana and disgrace to Africa. These are the people who have members following them. Imagine the future of this continent when we have these people. Jimmy say ya when we now members your monase title in collection. When Tinyansa Sembia Bakun Sunye and your bossu or Penny Genasali or also the Abebom chase money and stop glorifying your broke life in the name of heaven. Ajinasari to Christians. CSF and some work as here and comma opini Ajin Asari. Aha, ya de no prende ya juma. Aha, ya de common sense and critical thinking and the ya juma waha. Ajin Asari say, so we a Christonia. Chase money. One day I will teach you the reason why money is God. May catch American dollar. No much. Excuse me. How much in God we trust, no? In God we trust. God never want the dollar. When America they are telling you they believe in the American dollar. Money, Bible when they say money answers everything. Bible any prayer, prayer moves mountains. No, money can move mountain. Yamfa Bill Gates in now. Na yamfa we Christo in now. People they see one. Fam boy people no. Bill Gates, Eddie Sika, Eddie excavators the machine. Ebe bubu people na free ho. Na we jina waka tons. Ema omiri mu na yekro. Enti agena sa say. O ka kire Christo fo yinara. Magweni mmere chase money. We kra kira say don't chase pastors. Don't move from one prophet to another. Christo ni bi ho. Difu egu Ghana ni nara wakọ wenchen kum chacha wakọ ne ho wobinim wakọ ne ho apa life wakọ ne ho bili wakọ ne ho bodygas wakọ ne ho sofo nkuto wakọ ne ho aka sofo abenkwan no de abawiye oba besia wechie difu so amoda ne beyifo kakra mudi bedidi wo fie nso a na odi ekoso osi enti agena sare bi tu chama wo ye Kristo nyam ani na Obekwa asoli akone once a week dia ka ne fa ya adwuma. Thank you Ajina Sare. No kure yanto sabi. Sabi yeti no. Ti we dia punchlines. Ti CSF. Adwen no ebeye adwuma. E ka kire mo adwen no ebeye adwuma. Ti afa na me twa me ho aba. Yenyen krato ye ba na ya ba me body and the topic of the day. Reverend Owusu Bempa versus CSF. Yenyen krato na yemba.
Fititititire de bepemne insuhwem amayati asese nsu eyenkwa na asase edawei emu hanchichemu aduoson so eyensu na sete saade a denti na wotena se emensukom ane nsu enwanwo yiraw emawani tuka wonsem erade na ye drilling company limited won ababa so how bebria na nipa nemu efa nsu ho wobetu asase yem kopem se wobetu nsu pa ehotew ne watu ade amawo borehole drilling yayebi water treatment services yaye visibility studies ehun se baabia wo kire yense yentuno ayade ebetu nsu asase ne yem ansan yetu yaye hand and electronic pump installation hydrofracture yade machines ahoro esi asase neni ne yatinsu na fi baabi biare wa begu faako yem borehole drilling no ehotew utimenum wode horade egware mpa unya ohaw ankrankrai afiesim apartment ahoro insurance hotels estate developers washing bay ni nyumeku momre ne rade na aye drilling company limited yabeboa mo wenyen supa putu yang was 0245 636 634 and 02471 714 72. Erade na aye drilling company limited. This is to ayenkwa.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Online store fufura ba your friend abiexpress.com. Uwa brochimemu na upobia to bibi friga na mawa en how hukra. And one is a ubeko online. Now what type it www.abiexpress.com. Now me say open taria enye nipa baako na eton, upe laser enye nipa baako na eton, upe ketia enye nipa baako na eton, bibi bia upe bia no enye nipa baako na eton. Omu wanya ye friend multiple vendors. Now me say uto wadi enso a enche kura na wonsaka. Uwa America, UK, Canada, wiase afa na nyina bebe bia wo bia no ombe shipi wunyama no dia bro in no time. Na me say Abi Express no ayese makola ewo online abiexpress.com kai say abi ni ABBI abiexpress.com online store papa abiexpress.com all in one source ampa.
Yo, Ebushafo, Madam was say, now Mama Makwaba, Ediaba, the topic of the day, Nankasa. And then, as some beto ja, young Kasa, Yami body, Reverend Isaac, Ousubempa, Edibetu ja. Na answer, Meko, dear Okaya no sono. Mayan Mienu, Bako, Ebekwama CS4, na Bako, Aquama, video na, Reverend Isaac Ousubempa. Eye no nansa mekoso no mama nchemo message bia na osanka mebo ansa che me be che message bia Reverend Bofo Reverend Bofo ni message bi mu de muntie se anka sofo nyina be preach se ya me Reverend Bofo so betie dia me ka no on hu se me ye ni enemy na mo me dono a was starting Kenya sasam we are in the age of Aquarius, the age of reasoning. Says here, when you preach from the Bible, it doesn't make sense. I just say, okay, fie nyan sanchile nipa. You do a bra. Nipa jini ya duma mo. Tie message from Reverend Bofo. Nadia Kadi.
But you so catch you up and say, Nadia, my brain, my no. Hallelujah. Mena na yale. Sorry, I know oko. And also oko pabosia. And tam kasientia me de boa dipa eno ka ho bi asore na ama no kwasiada no pa na osofo na sa de me na yale e preach and what this soon sorry assortem and what the jaya sorry sa yale na so ne kun no and na be tin se kanta se mon kofo we are very wicked. Ubu sabe kwa tsabu che. Ubu sabe ba sabe ba sham kwa na mako. Give me next 5 years. I said give me how? You tuning in, I'm sorry. I dream. We are very wicked.
Bacho, is this not an amazing message? The Bacho message of Reverend Bofo mine is it not amazing? Or tremendous best no class or baking your margin or margin in your fast. As simple as that. Tia and Tanyo Bia Hano Kren Yaka, ya attack you be personally. Afe young Cotier as someone. Nyaminipa Reverend Isaac Ousubempa. Asamo kanye na ewia yembetwa ekomono so
yesinkrofo so aba ba ku bi so yese fe na rabbi ana ba ku bi yese ye fe no quotation master omu se nyame ni ho na papa akokora bi so ono ye fe se papa akokora ne fe se asmani yawo timi be kase onyame ni ho na yesu bia ni ba bia no no quotation master se rabbi omo se nyame bia ni ho nyame bia ni ho asia sema kwa nyame adoma next year mene sankofo no wo
God will in next year
obi bia
war against these people
betina radio so and TV so cassette ya yesu ya be attack no spiritual and physical
anyone who is
on
any media platform to speak against Jesus. We are going to attack such people physically and spiritually. Why would they? Or why are they not saying
because
there is no Muhammad? Because they fear or they are in fear.
But a Christopher Harry. Because they are pay who asem. Now me kind of crash. I'm serious. Nyame adma next year.
I'm serious about what I'm saying.
Biara.
God will in next
Oh,
year.
Trinity, about social media, Facebook,
Anybody who show up on
YouTube,
social media,
radio, so
whether Facebook,
no beka say tia Yesu.
for the person to speak against Jesus
Or
Christ.
beka say tia Yesu, Yeshua HaMashiach.
For the person to
Many
speak
say
against
Yeshua
Yeshua Mashiach.
and I just say pam ye nyina free Ghana ha. So wunyi ni a. So
they sack us from Ghana.
So wunyi ni a.
If you don't believe in
Jana ye jini di no, yan somo no.
Leave it for
Wunyi
us.
ni a. Ni a wujini di no. Somo no na me so me de. Wuntimi be di me de atem.
If you don't believe in him, leave him for us and believe in what and worship whatever you believe in.
Last.
But don't come and attack him.
Akwa Jimmy phobia na nim tisaka apem.
Some time ago, there's this ugly and foolish person.
Or say na say Yesu no nim yansa.
That person said that Jesus Christ is unwise or foolish.
Baaku bi wom. Wadane madamfo.
There's one of them
Me be friend
who
no.
has become a friend
Me
of
be
mine.
friend no na me na kasa na maka say boy, me kan no kra kire wo. Say we ya madamfo.
I'm going to call him,
But-
and I'll let him know that now you are my friend.
So ka set ya Yesu dia.
But if you speak against Jesus,
And you're starting from next year me no mienu Ghana ha yen kwa ha.
then starting from next year, Ghana wouldn't be able to contain us.
O de o believe no ka ho asem.
You propagate whatever you believe in.
Avram Ben Moshe.
I'm talking about Abraham Ben Moshe.
Well, a very good guy. O zeal.
He's a very good guy.
But me nim ni
He's so
entia.
zealous.
Wama ni me bi afana adwene saa.
But I don't know why he has allowed himself
No a Muslim.
certain things to capture his mind.
Obey a Christian.
He has been a Muslim before. He became a Christian.
And okoye Judaism ni.
And he entered into Judaism.
And as I say, why common sense.
And now he has become
Me panichao Avram.
free thinker.
Uni a penny ne me.
Abraham, I'm talking to you as an elder brother.
O tane me bank komo pa.
I
Me panichao.
often talk to you.
Mpaka kasa asada dani Kristo ni. Nessa bra be sofu juma.
Please, if you don't want trouble, come back to
Ante sa me force wa mo be sofu.
or else I'll force you to become a man
I'll
of God.
force you.
Or else I'll force you to become a man of God.
Me say ebe kakambon sa Avram Ben Moshe o preach Bible.
I'm telling you.
I
very
lift
soon,
Jesus.
you are
Meaning
going
say
to
me
see-
can obesere. Me
very
sure
soon
say
you are
oh
going
he
to see
because
Abraham
there be oh
Moshe
he.
preaching the
Obesere.
gospel.
Me sure say me duru fi obefre obekasa papa na de odi agum so. Na bi o.
I'm sure he's
Me
living
pa
life with
cho.
us.
Unim de ntia me
It's going
pe
to
gentleman
happen.
asem. Unim the reason ntia me pe na asem.
You know the reason why I love this gentleman?
Abrante no was zeal.
This gentleman is so zealous.
Utimi hu say oya ade a oya with all his heart.
You can testify that whenever he's doing something, he
Oh.
does it with all his
Hwɛ obetimi
All his
ekunu ho.
strength.
Obetimi ekunu ho ama ne believe. I'm telling you. But asɔfo dodo was saying all that zeal. Ni zeal na kwa te say Paul the any be Paul.
He's such a person who can die for whatever he believes in. How many men of God can die for what they believe
Ti
in?
nipa bi say sie nya no kingdom no mu a ɛbɛboa yɛ papa
So if we
papa.
get such a person in our kingdom, he's going to be
Onye lazy or study a lot. Osua de pa sa abrante no hu no
he's
sa.
a learned person.
San krofo say no nyame pɛ te say Paul no yɛ learned.
These are some of the people God loves.
Ara sɔfo no be de
God
kura mo
is
so na mo
people.
hwɛ Bible mu. 3 weeks kura na mo mie Bible mu.
But there are so many men of God
Agye yɛ na ɛne malt ne coke nom nko a na mafua yɛ tatwee.
who are not studying their scriptures,
Menkan fufuo nko a na aka mo.
but always going for food.
Suadeɛ.
30.
Yo, abusuafo, emse CSF4. Your message here. Yankasa me am body. Rabbi Osu Bempa edema ye no, e ye nyina yetie no. Ansa na no. Maminja Rabbi Osu Bempa de no na membra obobo nkrofo bi din ansa oba me so. Na menka eno ho asem ansa. Kame aye se enipa adwen yo mo se obi biara a obeba in the media our best started say or disprove Bible, Quran, religion or your common sense. It is wrong.
obo enkrofo miensa bidin na enkrofo miensa no omunie enkrofo miensa no omna me di omwegu screen so mama no di odi kan eye osempakeni ya osol oye madanfo oye minua makoni fieda waba mi fieda ya nanti so many years osempakeni ya menina ye debate da sabra no defend the Bible or Jesus di ye share debate enye easy pupo after debate no sometime na the members na dwen ya say eno sempakeni ya so oye pegini na niefi eno fra mi be fie 1-on-1 de bianko ye no obisa na ma kire no so akire na dwen no so e de be gi etu mu say Jesus dino eye invented no mani ade ode aye sankofa titi no kure ebusia oto aso a oye na adwuma no na ade ameka fa osempakeni ya so ho ne say osempakeni ya so onye personal attack o say osempakeni ya so la be kasa say sofobia ko ji eduro da o say osempakeni ya so e ka sofobia wale asem da na mom oye te say de mene ya na ofa Bible na we disprove baby ogidi no na wa mo ate ase se ogidi e mo no kra no most at times obesi ni gidi ni bebre e wo Bible ne so ene osempakeni ya so onye common sense to say common sense number 4 but your message ni message no essay there to sumienu eye quotation master no ye me church member on the make say ye me ba no ye ma asole panyini ema asole ne kromo mo bo asole no ma asole ni gina ye no quotation master ka no ema ebra me di Jesus din ba first no quotation master ena ne me coin say no okoma Jesus ani ye fa ne Yahshua echi na quotation master eye research ena no kromo say no say Jesus na ye bom ena no kra be hu say Old Testament ni na enye correct nti quotation master no ono start say o disprove the whole Bible clans amen ba be start many any problem bia many problem but the message ni bi okra and no sign wo the other aspect spiritual aspect ya oche ewufu asem epoase marine spirit no ni ade me nduru ho me spiritual side ya me nko ba bia da me dia me yesesi ade bia eni ehu ne dia so ate na me di nwa dance ye nti quotation master oya me boss si obeda ni minua problem bia ni yentem but omo nye common sense for to say omo ka me ho baby but omo so omo guso omo enlighten people in their own capacity and you metumi aye nti me ni obi any problem ena de otoso me yansa no eye de omo friend rabbi ni die nkasa di yima ono no ye sofo oya sofo no ne asofo bi nenam ena o se na bi nkoyie ena ote me nka onyame sidi ena oba ne ho fie ena edi nkomo to adwene sa na ma start preach wa bonten disprove Jesus ema no kroko start na mu ye den am ye nante ema me ne command kesim but oya interview bi ana na adwene se me mesi hwini ho me me se bibi ho but I can prove it me dey say de ani ehunu na me kire sisi a nti problem e wo won ne say futu a me de be ma me nuanu we ne say omuye very careful with bloggers omu invite omu ba omu platform so a no mo the microphone etua wa no be say so for we fie wurade na wo kase won fie wurade ya wade amienu when take time a wo ba dey say you are enlightening people but you are tarnishing people's image Ghana ha almost standing on people's fame to tarnish their image just to rise obi na falling for say me Abraham jina me fame na so na wo dey rise na wo dey abramasia hunu say jina me kon me Abraham nie we be jina me fame ne kon ho e na wo pese wo dey rise ba pese wo gu mani mu asia me na wo jina me kon ho na me hwe asia ehye na wo jina when I fall I go down with you enu nti na me attack wo biada me dey futu me frɛ yima anko rabbi what na me friend na maka chance me rabbi ye enlighten for way ade a mehu ne ye Ghana ha to Ghana des eni yemu penyi die eye ye de say we be kwa kwhye we ase no mpe even most of them almost na platform so a they won't give credit to where they learned from me me tell mo make sure me o ye be show if I tell you people I have trained we ye be show but say we could na platform be so No beka say oh Avram and Echramade no omo nye ba me there is one thing I do. I give credit. Let me penina oteteme. Your friend Abiata the Great. Your friend John AJ or your sofo or da soliano. Your friend Mount Zion Assemblies of Yahweh. No one machine yansa Abiata the Great. And I'm a sanko asolibi. E one no teteme. Sa asole no kra no omo enetua admission fee ema me wo medas. Asole no your friend Historic Adventist Church. And I'm bedroom me pempen so no me call back ekofa me coach I won no san kire me fast food eche me fried rice yeah. Learn how to give credit to your elders. Na ni Saudi ani monyam mo obi no na epeja me catch from ye na ye lighting no. This is the time we come together ye baako na ye save ye man. One cassette and then make catch them anka TV station na ye fighting for no me new TV station o ka sa Abraham nko a ka me kwatwe quotation master me kwatwe rabbi na ma kwatwe enlighten ya soul mu nyinara na ya ma obia time to teach so we na me catch them ba sa me kan kire obia ka TV station e ba say the Christopher ebie TV station no mo dio mo asofo abebe guso no na me quotation master hwe de ankaka se be ne this year hwe video we ye be wura 2019 e ye video we ti asem
ya ibusiafo de be chia mu nyina o Avram ne quotation master beti enka why 2019 be peja rough digigi to the montalan cool why Edifo ni asofo ndi ebo de mo pebe nyina wow yene mu ni problem ha eduma na momo ye no asofo duma no ene edi yaye bida yenim sebe nokure bi enim na nokure bi wo kwa makata so tre pese bi Ghana fo nyina ni no nti mati yenka why ha na e ka kire mo no sa adwe na anya duma body na ebre nti edam nyina ase ti kwaku so wo bibika
oh me so me ka kire Ghana fo eme de am for frefrem na Avram ne ye one ye one that though ba afi ne be one ye be ye ne one 2019 ye be tuja eja ka wo Ghana mo hu jeda na de elaje ye be bi wo Ghana na am asofo nso ye de aye bi na ye hu so ye abonsamfo be freje free suraba now Christopher nso freje ne ya hwa de Moshe and quotation master no size
anyway afia shase many obi any problem quotation master or yeminia rabbi or yeminia ya so or yeminia pay any problem bi anim but omu ni CSF mu nti obi kwaya ade a ti ade ni na say me wo na ya papa reverend usu bempa me bra pay ofre me say rabbi no the fellow rabbi no wa akokasa e wo platform bi so ma o ka asofo mu akogi eduro asofo mu free nyankopom wa boni din e personal attack no see minua emfane kasa because sabe me beka no na me usu bempa de wo kamia e na meka enti video na yenya peace ye hwe no o se me masem ne ba last enti na ye won your person de ma sa rabbi no say wakwa cassette ya no because only fact kwa kubon sampe e na wakwa obi aso dem akwaje ne bosom enti won to me kwatna platform bi so nka say sabe rabbi no so mempa yusu eduro what evidence wa he only fact agedin maybe an say e futu a me de be mo ne say omun jai bloggers na chidi omun creative Facebook page na omun disprove the Bible with the Bible and no never boa no me do echi no mu duru bloggers na chidi a omun be ka de yenka they will invite enemies me started the teaching up to today aso for na me come one seminar me na fofo ti mesre ye na say enlighten no why enlighten a boni bi anim u be bia ni pani a e ma ye mfa atemdidie emie ni pani nipa no wayera won say me starting no na me kasa no ehun nti bebre na ye say atemdidie wo kakra most times Christopher no e dey atemdidie no starting wo ko hwe Christo ni atemdidie a o didi e wo bi onye Christo ni platform so a wo be bisa say nti Christo ni we okwa awurade didie Christo ni we wa bo asu enso be didi atem but ye ni say enlighten no ye ko kasape no mo say didi atem ti mesre ya ye enlighten ye bie Ghana fo ani a e ma ye mfa atem didie because rabbi ne kasa na Jesus no say odi ejinisem enya say kasa sa e o say yi film asha na me kura ni ye bi e kire na me tie futu me kasa nwate Men ka say Jesus di agimisem. Men ka say Jesus ya kwasea. Men ka say Jesus ya aboa. Enwen so bia. Apesa wo hye Bible. Say who disprove religion. Burning the Bible. You are not stopping the printing of the Bible. So one said that the anti pam chow. And my young fatem didie. Who see Jesus as a say for Bible ni proof. Jesus on your melaka for Bible ni proof. And no. And your future no mama ni anu no my light no. After we come see yourself for moye video. Half nipa half bosom what mo the finisher. Me tu chama mu nyina. Mama me hu say me kan bre bi say thousands of Avram bin Moshes will arise. And I'm seeing it in my time. Me da mu nyina say mo de occupy eta machi. Efuto kakra me di mani me pa chaw. Say ye hu video bi a ye very careful as my reply. Hu video a share video no 3 times. Share the first maninsi. Share the second maninsi. Share the third maninsi. And so make it with judgment. Ade bia no ya wo be bia wo gina ene said you be twa ade no. Ti mo nyina mo ye video and one no it is some point. Mo address issue no perfectly. The pede wa mo ye kum wa ma CSF. Any message no, any futu a mo de ma me na. Number 1, the number 1 security is myself. Me no bodyguard can protect me. Even a bodyguard is also a threat to me. Because everybody has a price. Even P Black is a threat to me. Just as Yahuda, just as my driver, just as my manager. Anybody around me is a threat. And the first security, and it's a mission in Huyi. To be the Munasi, any of Futua, Modiaman. Na menso, min gumani mu aseda. Meye be as a monso be shemani munyam. Meye be as a kuo way bet now. Na minim say ne, sa me hwi ase a. Half nipa half bosom. Otimo the finisher, openye jekum. Dakoba, kwa 44. Any one solid in ano, message no atre. Timedamu nasi. Said the quotation master moye, said the rabbi moyano, message in the betre, or Sempakeni Asol. Ye na ye bi, me preja, or mine Ghana ni Africa, Edisiwo, Timedamu nasi. Afi, Rabbi no Subempa, Afi na meba paying so. The man yon kofa, eba me Rabbi no Subempa temineni. Offer me debate on our solid. Debate ni mono. And no who me in person. No officer me arrogant. No officer me disrespectful. But a down she me in person. I deal common. And no say no. A branch or you different. And no farmer down for. Some can go social media say Reverend Usu Empire madam for. And no chance me two car could fear could diffu. And now baby fear me diffu. But I'm say and non confer that in terminal. Very tight. Number 2, Mama Tia say, Reverend Usu Bempa, every right say to defend the unauthorized religion in the presence of his members. Mama Tia, the good thing that Reverend Usu Bempa I am not a hypocrite, I'm not a coward, and I will never lie. Me pese the way come your social media no. Sa na wo hia wo fia wo be hu se de metie. Na me di obika oye CSF ni. Me am member CSF ni. Product ni product be di me ho. E na ja. Ehumaburo ya me di product ne ma me nko da bi se wo mo nkoton fisika ne mra. Over 3,000 Ghana. Sika ne mu over 30,000, 300 million. Sika me saka ya no e 10,000. 20,000 amma. Ena CSF ni su agidi sika. Na me kire wade ode je me a. Na that one Reverend Usu Bempa friend say Avram. Na nse wunye video ada na me say oh, me nya small problem. No say ada na me say oh, me di obika no say me boa wo. Boa me e ma me tua e kale bi. Onu no nya me niambom. Onu ami ni gidie ba akom no. Reverend Usu Bempa e boa no e ma me tua kan. Number 1. Number 2. Issue we about social media. Ebinom a almost see omo ye CSF4 asolieti ame edidi matem no. Me wan na Reverend Usu Bempa friend no say Abraham. Mate say nkrofobi see omo ye CSF no mu didi watem. Abraham enka so mo ho. Sa na Ghana 40. Ye waduma open radio station na munya radio station. Fa ye waduma. Why? Na ye nyina no ye bompa ye ma say de wo ye bia no. Kwa wanim. Wo so de obetumi aye na wo so ye no. Reverend Usu Bempa can tell me one day that say Abraham Brahma solid ebe ye Christoni onka ebida but yes you was said the Reverend Osubempa only be being common as a friend any said dia obekasa with the church members enim e two percent the church members enim no okoka say and CSF you correct into me nyam go CSF no all fight say me boldness me confidence no onyameka munyina munim say Reverend Osubempa onyam wona asole ankope this CSF obonfa me man na asem say ana mu ha papa yi sa this CSF for me sram munyina munya baako wo na nka mo ntam na mo mo fa me ko Reverend Osubempa mo kai say debate na o Reverend Osubempa asole no na amponte ho yeah me tram enwum mienu e change me life eye amponyum na ye asemi ntina media rewo asemi ntina miti nisio every sana me nyantuma to isikanto mpabu ahye o sai nyom no any anyway I will do this wallahi baby amedru bank baba god sai nyom no and motivate me in a day bra me tro bra ma bre wi ase hwe me madahabo ina da tema habo me ma to sunsunbro ma ye watchman woda me kan history besu ma da uncompleted mu I was Akomodo estate me na me ne cobra na dada ba ku cobra ma bre enti sanyum me no motivate me when we say da me shia ampon debate ya se de ani nyum eye ma me ebre bi no me kan e de she ampon kuran say ne nyum na auto no making an impact on my life. Let us learn how to be real. We should stop being hypocrites. Let's stop being hypocrites. You be about the so camera scene so. Now I am pretender. Now we did watan o shiawa no be chia. I do na bullet ke be tire. Guy be say, you go there and show under. You insult me finish. You meet me and you can't shake me. I hate pretenders. I'm not a pretender. Enti Reverend Osubempa or Yamadanfo. I know you personal choice. But I know it say Reverend Osubempa kasa na anko yia me ba man fans. Answer me man reply no. Mo hwe ne me bi hwe Ghana media no. Yendru level a nipa no oye boni a yenka. Oye papa so a yenka. Hwe ne mapa Reverend Osubempa ye a Ghana for ebiante mo hwe. Reverend Osubempa edru ne birthday no be 50 years. Or inviting me personally, say member and actually. Louis Farrakhan Munina. No more kwa churches echo my message. It's me, Abraham. Any church can invite me to give message to the members. I'm not coming to disprove Jesus, but I'm just there to enlighten them, to give them a motivational message, to talk to them how to become Christians and use their common sense. Or to be invited, sir. But let me say, Reverend Osubempa invite me. Ewo ne birthday program ase wa sole no CSF ni bi hu me pe ya ma ne bribe me Abraham nobody can buy me nobody can buy me na me message be bia me dey dui enu nti na some TV stations yanko because almost say message na no ya dey me reduce it. You people know me from day one. When I change the message you know say akwana kwa jiska wa sesa no enti me change message na eye mu CSF for na mo be chi me kure gwa me. But enter Bible verse me. The Bible verse me. Yeah. The end of a matter is better than its beginning. Oh, share video now. Man, just said the Reverend Osubempa started. Name share conclusion. The conclusion. Look at the beautiful message he gave about me. And that's it. And someone can one quiet. You be address it. The end, Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 8. The end of a matter is better than its beginning, and patience is better than pride. Exercise patience. Listen to the beginning, but focus on the end. And to be kasa, ne wie yano, and then the conclusion. Ne wie yano, and no perfect panel. Adana, Reverend Osubempa. When you be me Abraham bin Satan, me and we my me and Obama Basso. Che, near me be a Reverend Osubempa, Yantil Massam will media ni muda. yante ho asɛm da enso ɔno ade ni free choice eno gya na yere a sorry ɔno ade ni free choice eno gya na yere dia ka Ghana Media House so nyina Reverend Owusu Bempah divorces fourth wife any Reverend Owusu Bempah renovate clinic at Ankafu Prison Complex. Founder and head pastor of Glorious Word and Power Ministries International, Apostle Isaac Owusu Bempah, has on the occasion of his 50th anniversary celebration refurbished a clinic at the Ankafu Prison Complex. Ne birthday, Joba ene say clinic here, a prison. Okosi prison no ekosiesie ne kama. E wo se yebona baso. Adepa ye pesa asofo no ye ne binie. Na nsie na say Church of Christ. Edisika akwa boa free SHS, the Church for Better Education, and the Church of Christ. Home kwa dia ye bebo mo abaso. There's a CSF. Where papa ye beka. Tie mo na baso ye wi a na you throw punchlines. Ba kun sunie. Owusu Bempah registers almost 1,000 people under NHIS, National Health Insurance. Yabe na nsenya na Reverend Owusu Bempah se me be ma so dan na to wo bia wo di card ne bra enipa over thousands and a coin and register mo. Why ya de me bo na ba so na ne kasa na kasa ye nim no se na atendidie kakra wo enti me am bra pe ni mesre se o kasa na atendidie ba mu a obi a sabe wanto ne buahu so ye panyini wo da eku ano no ono so beba abedidi watem nti na atendidie wo eno na meka se ankoyie de to subiom Reverend Owusu Bempah ka se from next year obi biada obeka se tia Jesus no obe attack no both physical and spiritual na person ti ase se Christopher number 1 me ntufo muntie me kasa ni yie me ntufo se obi biara oye enlightened person only Jesus yatem dabi on to be ko di Muhammad yatem ma ye debate me ni kremofo aye me see the Quran was invented Prophet Muhammad bofo bi aban ho eno nya attack eno ye disprove but say Jesus ye kwase Jesus ya aboa no ye nyimfiri but se mu asofo ne nso munim se obi attack Jesus na ye mo ya munyai musu preach na mu preach e ka se antoa ye jimifo antoa kwasea antoa ho kankan musu mutu bi preach edidi Africa abosom atem timonso muntu mu hofu na munsu mu Yesu na munjai omo ambaso bosom na mo so mo bosom eno ye first one meaning Jesus yatem I will disprove Jesus with the Bible. As simple as that. And Reverend Owusu Bempah ka say obe attack both physical and spiritual. When no a threat. No kremu. Mo yina mo nim say ebre bi asembisi Honorable Kennedy Japan. Kasa. And Kennedy Japan ko ka say Ahmed ya sabe Nyankopon fa ne krensie maye. Oba mo nchene mu no na sika bi abetua Ahmed wuye pa and obi aka say Kennedy and ko ka say monmo no na sika bi abetua nti ono enti sa wo de wa no e ma threat message na wo chena me Avram ansole quotation master ansole rabbi wan ansole osempakedi ya ansole ansole ya Reverend Owusu Bempah we nu asam ebe gina e ma wan hwa bedem ye hwe kasa yie ye gina dom animu a ye threat message yan hwe ye kasa yie eno na wo hu ahi won fedin bi anto ho sa wo hu ahi ampa wo de wanui wudi si igwe so na gwagwagwagwa igwe nso hwa o de ma ban a ebeche nti o tane ya no hia o si akwe ende ubedi butins ti mesre asofo no moma ye hwe ye kasa yie me pacho bebre ti opanyina nto amesraw opanyini me amebra mesraw wo kasa no ankoyie ana Reverend Owusu Bempah ka say wo hwa oya ne by force say oba force mama sakra eno emem me pa cha won hwa pictures yi ma yes software da won minie Abraham me bo preaching. This is Pastor Lee on the mic. Now, when you bet Jimmy who say, me bo marriage. Me bo 8 kingdoms. Hey, me what topic fear the one you trust. Is Jesus God? Eti, me bo preaching. Me patch out the book of Daniel and Revelation. So for be any Ghana ha, I will make me actually with China. Debbie, me bo Revelation 12. Wa bana wo fra wo wia. Moon one and I say, stars back 12 body tree. Now what fail through now what see you say Brassets, gone are the days. Whoa, ain't he? Any fee, and a year Sudan and Sababa coming. Yes, you know, me my Ginedy. My body who they were open. Jesus and Ancasa minimum chain with Christopher Wina. Into any fee now, Babeka say, Avram, no, a random fan in San Cano, Daddy, Subo, my bo a month was wait, a wager, baby, I saw for the cobo. I could have used to one day. I could not quite know. One of me bo be useful. My bo be useful pen. My bo preaching and casa, 9 branches, and 10 year fee, and I will best say yes to some fun and sun coming. Travel also and power clad and say, how, and you know, so how, Jaima Jesus, not Jesus and Massacram, said your sacra porno. Tell me, says so for being invited me Sadram. Oh, Kenyans are some, and that me here. I saw them and I call Bible school, you know. The son called Bible school. Because Apostle Francis Odro World Outreach Bible School, and I'm a coy. You want me certificate near you. I'm going to share Bible area. Now, me call Bible school. Now, me help Papa no share me Bible Muna. Now, oh, share me, I've done been more share me. See what Papa will share me Bible Muna. Now, to move position assassin. I was about to bet Chana about to go to to say, wow, bong. Bible school called the 4 days. Yeah, called the 4 days. Yeah, called Saturday. 4. But again, say 1 month. Come certificate I show with them. Jekwana Kwatiason. Timako Bible school in head. Tianya Faith. Reverend Osubempa. Bible quotation way. And a Reverend Osubempa. And Pamchow. Sabu ye video. Me mano. Ediafa sofo bi ho. No oye penyinia. Enu na ma sofo le pema asem no. Hwe meni we ye debate. Ejapasai. CSF for me. Avram. O the respect baba papa no do. Avram, me man respect krasa. Adna wudi wo buo ma no. Ebusia me yetiti mi o. Yetiti mi wo fie. Enti upon all say me disprove Bible. Upon it is even an opportunity say me to me stand with Papa Penyimusa on the platform. It is even a plus for me. And it just say didn't come. Enti me di obuo e me japa say and na me ka say me wo WhatsApp group e japa say bom ebre bi na CSF no sebe enkora ni din samfon e japa say e le betu o mo for say when you be to say Avrama mun so ni mu yie e japa say me yetiti mi wo fie and as at now I am surrounded by intelligent management team. The fruit of the money easy. To me bunipa 2 years video for revenue so ben power for respect man. 1 or your bra penny. 2 or your software. 3 wabobra feni the man. Now for punchlines this shame. That is what is keeping me running up to now. What the attended here with I want check. Bible verse in John chapter 6 verse 44. Reverend Osubempa untumi nsachrame bia Nyankopon selection enka ho verse ni no man can come to me Jesus na ekasa no man can come to me except the Father which has sent me draws him and I will raise him up at the last day. Jesus say meja owosoro no wantwe wa ma untumi mmeka ne ho. Enti bia me Avram selection kan obeda atwe. Ti Avram kwana selection. Munya nkopon no wa fra le first 11. Bia Avram so bete Jesse kura menye bia hye. Ti nobody. Ti ma CSF ni kwatra if Avram bet na ya da no. Woni time o come Saturday. Woni time asam o come Saturday. Say Avram no tra wa ba e Osubempa no. Koye debate crowd of no Osubempa so. Bisa me manager. Na to fa frɛ emamonko omo ye nipa bonefo omo ma nsu a mennom Reverend Osu Bempa wo kume na waje de me koye debate on aso dem ho me disprove Bible still members net ho de obeja ne wejai still aso de ho te be sramo me nya de say kwa attack personality edidi atem eno emwa yen punchlines ni ehwe egu ho tie ya papa Osu Bempa reply kakra me de ma no ana mutu say onyame papa onyamo na so ni mu a ka beboa no papa nti asem na sha ase no o make mistake kakra atebdidie say ya kan ho asem threat entwa yie na mu no otu say chale papa no me ka kira mo Reverend Osu Bempa obu me papa me ka kira mo ne obu me papa and respect me and me vim am the aduma I am na me bo pressure am Reverend Osu Bempa be ka say Jesus and friend Jesus and friend Yahshua I am me myself and I CSF ye ne boss a pressure Reverend Osu Bempa no ye obi owa waji a message na tum but want to me nka te mesra mo gradual obi a ye didi na temo na no bia wachina bi yenti obetumi egu na so le be kan ho te mesra mo na yem too personal ma yentie ne nsa ebi obi yentie Reverend Osu Bempa
yes microphone bi so aba ba bi so yentie
wow your punchlines na ko fa na ba
uni baby on said ye on say program am no ye no me bu nkotodwe sese bibia tumi kona wieye so atiase esa na ma akaidafo ne falasifo bi yenyaye na hwe ayesa pa na ma Avram Ben Moshe esi ye collection kwan mama wanya kwan afa medal enamu Avram Ben Moshe esi ye collection kwan wanya kwan enya access na famu ko mo stop
Yati. Ana kum chacha. Hwa your message no. Munim impact e make here. Kum chacha. And this time see so catch the wu he said jai. Na wo say adwuma no. CSF ye boy adwuma papa. Kum chacha was honest to say that. Timen o kan some message ni ye adwuma. Na man for any abino. Baby na message no. I saw for the nimu and come stop him and come. But say I started from nowhere. Na me shan tade basabasabi. Na ya hu basabasabi. To mu yo out come na de no. Oh mu nduru baby o come na de o come. Oh munyo mo. Any. Ese ayo unstoppable. CSF party free. Any kunkon. Ya ni akọ. Tumun sentie Reverend Osu Bempa no tie ending no na hwe ni dimi no de kasa Reverend Osu Bempa ntan me Avram there be sabe me a leader of a conscious movement intimi no me inside sa me lose God sa he is my good friend, he is my friend today, he will be my friend forever. You keep your friends close and your enemies closer. The act of war Mr. Say Reverend Osu Bempa madamfo na P Black madamfo I have to fear P Black more than Reverend Osu Bempa. And I have to fear Yahuda more than Reverend Osu Bempa. Yeah, kwa ye debate and for fry and the munche yo e ba mu eduro o ma me eduro agede yan. Ti esram ya your formidable team yen jeja ye ho sa. Why? Yentie Reverend Osu Bempa asem o kan ni biom. Na yembra back. Why?
Yes, microphone bi so aba ba ku bi so ye friend rabbi. Ana ba ku bi so ye friend quotation master. Obu se nyame ni ho na papa kokora bi so ono ye friend se papa kokora ne friend se. Asmani yaw timi beka se onyame ni ho na Yesu bia ni ba bia na ono quotation master se rabbi. Omu se nyame bia ni ho. Nyame bia ni ho. Asiasema kwa nyame adoma next year mene sankofo no wo
God will next year
Obibia.
War against these people.
Oh, betina radio show and that TV so cassette yesu. You be attack no spiritual and physical.
Anyone who is on any media platform to speak against Jesus, we are going to attack such people physically and spiritually.
I don't know Muhammad be anyhow.
Why would they? Or why are they not saying
because
there is no Muhammad? Because they fear or they are in fear.
But a Christopher na me harry. Because they am pay ho asem. Na me kan okra I'm serious oh. Nyame adman next year.
I'm serious about what I'm saying.
Biara.
God will in next
year.
Opportunity
about social media, Facebook,
anybody who show
YouTube,
up on social media,
radio so
whether Facebook,
no be kasetia Yesu.
For the person to speak against Jesus Christ.
Obe kasetia Yesu, Yeshua HaMashiach.
For the person to
speak against
Yeshua HaMashiach.
And I just see a pamia in free Ghana ha. So you need near. So
they start us from Ghana.
So you need near.
If you don't believe in
Jana Jini dino, young Somono.
Who
need near? Near Ujini Dieno. Somono, Namesumen so many. Would you be the mediatem?
If you don't believe in him, leave him for us and believe in what and worship whatever you believe in.
Last.
But don't come and attack him.
Akwe Jimmy phobia and Nimti Saka Akim.
Some time ago, there's this ugly and foolish person.
Or say, na say yes no nim yansa.
That person said that Jesus Christ is unwise or foolish.
Bakubi wom. Wadane madamfo.
There's one of them.
Maybe friend
who has become a friend of mine.
Na me na kasa na maka je say boy, me kan okra kire o. Say we are madamfo.
I'm going to call him,
but
and I'll let him know that now you are my friend. But
so cassette here Yesu dia.
But if you speak against Jesus,
and you're starting from next year,
then starting from next year, Ghana wouldn't be able to contain us.
Na obi or yes.
Tie busuafo say any yesa kwahwe biom no so won aha nti ohwe awieye na obelieve ye onim say we are on course ya de on frame da en kan chem say minjai CSF no membra na so de de bia no ya no me kasa as a junior brother eno kra hye ni nkran aha say me nto aso nyama de nti video na ba nda CSF nyina ka ho asem man be kasa pe. When you say, hey, Abraham Ba, or say, na damfo, Tem say, why na damfo no, say, Bia, Waman the bride, and I find him to see him, and I quick, Daddy, and yes, I let you. TSS for Yadamun Asi, or Damu Yachre, you did make any baby, you know, make kind biom, company, and Yamu, Alliance in Motion Global. Over South join here, and answer WhatsApp me, send me the business information on my line. And your amazing product so so ma be a yare a food supplement we anya drug a food supplement we person sell me down wa pempe mu pa be ma wonya de wo pem your product be boy you be from koda retentive memory any ade nyina any skincare product after so the to so biom ye a TV program no ye kan wasem wa person obo CSF bia no your number na da ho no pacho mobile money number no o seniska na o pese ebia ya bodin a o senipe na wa frɛ na ya twere wudin why to pese support CSF ya ka kyerɛ me sɛ ye nipa ene boa nipa adwuma e ma ne koso to pese boa CSF a afei wonya Abraham me manager number maybe a phone lines no why maybe na nipa be 56 bia kasa me manager phone line na eda wo no ti maybe edru so no yankwa genkrato na yembra na membie phone lines no why e ko genkrato aba na membie phone lines na mo so ma kire mo adwen kakra why okay
for online store for by your friend abiexpress.com who abrochimemu na opobia to bibie friga na mawa en how hu kra and one is a ubeko online na what type it www.abiexpress.com na me say open taria enye nipa baako na eton open laser enye nipa baako na eton open kentia enye nipa baako na eton bibi bia open bia no enye nipa baako na eton omo wonya ye friend multiple vendors na me say uto wade nso a enche kura na wonsaka u America UK Canada wiase afa na nyina bibi bia wo bia no ombe shipi wunyama no dia bro in no time na me say Abi Express no yes a makola ewo online abiexpress.com kai say abi ni ABBI abiexpress.com online store papa abiexpress.com all in one source ampa
Tititititiri de bapemne insuhwem ama yate asese nsu eyenkwa na asase edawe emu hanchichemu aduoson so eyensu na sete saade a denti na wotena se emansukom ane nsu enwa woyiraw ema wanitu ka wonsem erade na ye drilling company limited won ababe so how bebria na nipa nemu efa nsu ho wobetu asase yem kopem se wobetu nsu pa eho tew ne watu ade amawo borehole drilling yaye bi water treatment services yaye visibility studies ehun se baabi a wo kire yense tuno ayade ebetu nsu asase ne yem ansa ne yetu ye hand and electronic pump installation hydrofracture yade machines ahoro esi asase neni ne yatu nsu na fi baby biare wa begu faako yem borehole drilling no eho tew utimenum wode horade egware mpo a unya ohaw ankrankrei efiesim apartment ahoro insurance hotels estate developers washing bay ni nyumeku momre ne rade na ye drilling company limited yabebo am wenyen supa putu yang was 0245 636-634 and 02471 71472. Eradinaya Drilling Company Limited. This is Su Ayankwan.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Yo, Abusiafo, wedi mama no akwanya na muso mo nkasa na ankoyi ti me pamchaw me bie phone lines na tum. Why? Wa pese ofre na wo dwumadi course so nda wo kire wa adwen kakra no pa twa atendidie bia ni pamchaw wo baso a na wa kire wa adwen. Why? Anti number be frɛ no 0244856241 ena eda screen so no. Why? Still wa pese support CSF number na dia to no. But the manager number so to TV station, radio station, so be here duma, ye be here pono. No say the social to na ensu kama. Ti. Yeah. Your doctor, yeah, Doctor Abedu, inadi, that's it. Yeah. Sammy Song, me home. Hello.
Yeah, hello. Mr. Ben, good evening.
Yeah, but you about program this one.
Program number so baso.
No, we didn't be able free. 30 seconds.
Yeah, Fleming Ikam GH no Labadi. Program no. I'll tell me so because me my show program no akas. Me share ya na me share kwa chenza dia wo ka se ohun video bia hwe no ba ku mienu no. No kule mo Obadie Oshia and Nathan Shla on bless so on my human in Kosoyan, so you bet me aboa, dear young debating the air near the aboa. That's what I was saying, and I must say,
Pacho, de Biafatu trim video be a begun piano, bebre, movie video first one, who did you matter? When you with Russia Yana, Robert and his CSF Nino. Two video be a young shed once, shed, sunshine, not film wamba. Why? Ahani yenye personal attack yen time will be ye address issue said yet because me they be ameka say who can will be HD asem one can said ye ushiana ubeka no nanim san yet na wiase why me to me pay kemo e wo Facebook che just a wo friend number no Hello. Hello. Number is 0244-856-241. Ofra 30 seconds. Obo din baby aka safi na we throw punchlines. Na ye kwaye nim. Ye said you be am free debate bi mu. Yes ramu asofo ne malamfo CSF debate. Ye nja yo. Hello.
Hello, yeah, good evening.
Yeah, but oh ba show this so.
Matane ba show this.
Yo, odini baby aka safi.
Match for me answer is
Oka se free.
Hello. Match make us free Spinters Road.
Yo, what 30 seconds. Yet yo.
Yo, I'm not sure. Yeah, make us the down body as it was my pa with a home. Number Reverend Obusu Ben Tanya in Chelsea and say one Embra not some a buy, you know. I think the first one is in come share by and yea, no be a sorry, it dynamic.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, yet you.
Yea, no be sorry, share a dynamic because most of us and CSS members and I'm sorry for. I sorry, Monday, the big cost of components, the big part against Christianity. Some of us don't have love for Christianity.
Yeah.
And the best one was the same, you only be or many inquest, I mean, also happened to many inquest. Now, I say acquiring in the first building. Get the Brahma Ghana acronym. Okay, yes, I feel to find out the design. I'm your bomb has hidden a truth now. I hate the no. It's time for us to,
thank you.
Other people so that we can all help each other. Until Naman
that's it. Yo. How you did attempt? Oba udi atempe ye be you so. Oba pe na why fast straight to the point. Fans be anim. Oba straight to the point. Anya no obichia for. Oba enchia be anim straight to the point. Hello.
Yeah. Good evening, Abraham.
Yeah, boss. Match our program so. Yo, also. What didn't be a casafi?
Match a very berry, Monungwa.
Yo, yet you.
Me kai say na sometime be me ba was sorry with you preaching seriously. Na me pa was serious because you preach here. You come seriously. Ana, see how CSF no. Me tiu say na me say you can serious truth.
Thank you.
Me follow seriously because minimum when we are suffer and I minimum
no when me from when time na me bandana no.
Yes, na minimum Ali. Me say me back Nungwa station ho e be for me am say tie usa na me san ko fie.
Enya
easy. And as see anti me san tie we for me am still minimum say the can ya truth.
Thank you.
Me follow 100%. You are good.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes.
Okay.
That's it.
Hello, boss. Hello, who's here?
Hello?
Yeah, Mbacha, who didn't be our casafi?
From Pauli, Kazafi,
Japan, Mbacha, who also yet you? Okay. That's it. CSM Japan, Ichiamu. Hello. Japan, that's what I say to you. No way. Oh. Sramu ahana ye ndi atem. Oba chira wadin. Uwia din na we fi so. Hello.
Hi.
Na bacha wanu siye.
Manusi me ko food drink.
Okay. Yo. Yada CSM Japan for Edamwase. CSM for all over the world. Ichiamu nyina. Next year, a battle Timonshe in why. The number 0244-856241. Oba na wa me kire wadwen. The CSF for munso me muye a. Be hu an say Pastor Abraham bin Moshe preaching from Reverend Obusu ben pastor. Say near 3 years you. 3 years odi obi nya adwen a wa kire wa adwen fe atedidi anim kwasea aboa Jimmy enu anim enye nu mfrim kire wa adwen wo disprove a wo disprove unni factor men kasa unni fact don't talk naka emra je adwuma e wo Ghana asede e dun abrochire na nyesa wa betra Facebook a wa betane hye obi image e wa kope ba bia da na wo home tie daga me ka kire mo omo ye saloon any barbering shop obi si barbering shop wa no de shatawa le picture no de abo why never Ghana obi hu ni picture da ludacris ba Ghana on barbering shop bia ni picture mo no ko hu baba fo sa baba fo eyina ose hwe emra nya djuma nya oba bi si saloon no atam jake apia no de abo panyan da bi ni image no eye ne brand wa build the brand no to the picture bebo wa age uko hunu na oje kakra hye ne ho esram Africa impe inform mra no nya djuma se de mra ne di ehiafo no ya you too much emra ne di ehiafo to akay last 4 minutes em say phone ni ko off kakra nti me so phone nti mon frɛ na mon kyerɛ mo adwen na si ha de no kre ne de adwuma wa ha why da CSF fo nyina ase CSF full soldiers no edamo ase mo ayi adwuma papa man kan na meboa mo ayi adwuma otimo the finisher openye je kum Kolesa Sante ko kwa mo general manager CSF general manager Kolesa Sante wa ayi adwuma wa kyerɛ wodo aha dakoba mu nyina mo ayi video so nyina medam nyina ase em say topic we rehwe ho course no so ti yede besia na mo chana abeto aso ti CSF yedam nyina ase bye. Hello, Abusia. Hello. Oh, Uncle, na upon crowd, what about so I tell you? Yeah. Would you be aka safi? Bacha, would you be aka safi?
But me ka free mortar.
Yo, yet you. O ka safi mortar.
Yes.
Yo, bacha, yet you.
You support too. Anyhow, you support too. Next year, Ghana, about the support program.
Bacha, young Kobebia. You tell CSF anymore. That's it. You will CSF with your last caller. Bye.